Hey folks, Jason at Leisure Time here with another fresh arrival. This one just off the hitch from Indiana. 2021 Transcend Xplor 261BH. We'll take a look around the outside of this one before we hit on inside. A couple of unique features on this one. We've got the outdoor kitchen. We'll take a look at that on the way back around. Nice side mounted ladder to get up on the roof. Service your roof as you need to. We've also got a pop-out on the back side. We'll see that from the inside to see how much interior space that creates. And then we've got the pass-through storage here in the front end as well. All kinds of space in there. You've got your battery disconnect and some water functions there, as well as your hookup for your TV and satellite. So we'll head back around now. Another look at that ladder. Just another unique and useful feature from the folks at Grand Design. Grand Design, for those of you who don't know, formed a couple years ago, about 7-8 years ago now. Get the exact math for you on my website. But they've got to a point where they listen to what people have to say about campers, and they react to it, and they provide that feedback that's provided by the campground, by people at the campground they actually go talk to. You see it in their trailers. They react quickly. They make changes as they need to keep people happy. Nice to see that from a trailer manufacturer. That's kind of their strength, along with their build quality. Okay, so now that we're inside, let's take a look around at the living space. As soon as you come in, a little bit of storage here, a little shelf, and then shoe storage, maybe hat storage, whatever it is you'd want to stick in there, but nice use of the space. Coming around now, take a look at that drop-down table. They've got kind of the faux live edge table thing going on here, and that's another new design feature for Grand Design for the 2021 edition. That'll of course drop down and make yourself a nice comfortable bed. Storage underneath both benches on this one. There's your entertainment center. Storage on either side. Your entertainment unit of course is plumbed right in there. A little shot of me as well. You've got some privacy curtains on the bunk beds. Teddy bear finished mattress. That's lit, and there's also some charging ports right here as well. And on the bottom bunk has a little bit of light as well. And of course each one has its own window to open up a little bit of light, but there's blinds under there too, so the kids can get in there and have a nap. And get some storage underneath here, so some room to keep a few extra things inside the camper. And then on the outside you see that wall, and the other side will be that outdoor kitchen. Coming into the bathroom, Grand Design of course always tries to find good room to store your linens. So there's a spot here that you can store your linens. Nice big shower, room for two, skylight above. You got a fan in the vent. Foot flush toilet. Spin around here. Let's hop into the shower for a second, give you a look at the sink. So there's your corner cabinetry, your sink, and corner medicine cabinet as well. So heading back out into the living space, we'll spin around and take a look. Fold out couch. So you've got room for company in this one with the drop down table and the fold out couch on the slide. Your kitchen is kind of cornered off, which is nice, good use of the space. So you've got your big cabinet over here. Of course, mixed reviews on having the sink over there, but this one, no worries about hitting your head when you're doing the dishes, because the cabinetry's set back a little bit. So that one's good there. I know we'll like that at home. You've got your dog dish bowls here, so that little drawer will pull out. You can put Fido's dishes in there for water and food to get that up out of the way. Pots and pans drawer underneath the Furion range. 3-burner cooktop. Microwave above the vent. Coming around, take a look again at that high-rise sink, high-rise faucet over the big stainless steel sink. Tons of storage underneath, all kinds of storage above. And of course a skylight to brighten things up here in the daytime, so you don't need to burn those lights. AC's in the middle of the unit, but it's ducted throughout the coach. Let's head to the front. Queen walk-around bed, padded headboard for your safety. Storage above, shirt closets on either side. You've got opposing windows on either side as well to get your cross breeze going. And really more and more we're seeing this pocket door style, just a lot easier to create space when you don't have that swinging door to close things off here in the main bedroom at the front of the camper. Spot for a TV if you'd like to have one up here. And a nice spot on the inside. We've got pre-mounted coat racks there, coat hangers there as well. So this has been a look at the 2021 Grand Design 261BH. Just arrived. We're excited to see a few new products still rolling in. We've got about a dozen trailers left to go here coming in before the end of the season for your trades, or if you're looking to get something set up and purchased before the new year. End of season stuff's going on right now here at Leisure Time. Come on down and see myself, Jason Perkins, Phil or Sandy, our friends up in Moncton as well. We'd love to help you out. find a trailer just for you.